if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to start this video like this. It is a vlog. It's going to be a vlog, a daily vlog. I think it's going to be a daily vlog. So today I have quite a number of things to do. I have clothes to stitch down, a lot of them. I have a makeup tutorial to film. I also have a sit down video to film for you guys just today. So I'm happy actually today. I don't know, I've had the best weekend. I've just been home relaxing, sleeping, editing videos, watching movies, and I think since I started working, this has been my best weekend. I don't know why, but yeah, it has been my best actually. Guys, welcome back from ED. Though you didn't call me, I invited you, I think, in my previous video. But anyway, welcome back from ED. And I didn't celebrate ED, but yeah, I honored it. And because in the morning on Saturday I was here, I was finishing a suit for someone, and they needed it that very day before 10 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I achieved that. And after, immediately I had to go back home. So when I went back home, anything concerning work, I just closed that chapter until today. So I've just come back now. Today it's Monday 11th, if I'm not mistaken, and it's currently 9:30 or 9:40 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to start with this. I've finished putting the dummies out, I've finished cleaning, I've been aligning my makeup products that I'm going to use or that I want to use. That's why you're seeing them behind. I apologize for that, but yeah, we're going to be filming a tutorial. It's going to be a get ready with me, and then I'm going to show you the dress that I was stitching the previous video, in a day in my life. I'm going to wear it when I'm filming a sit down level up video. So wait on that, and I think this intro stops here. Oh guys, I was here thinking I've spent, I think, 3 years without celebrating my birthday. Do you know what it means? And this time round, because I've achieved some things, of course I'm grateful to God. Yeah, I've not achieved a lot, but at least I'm really proud, and I'm so happy and grateful to God and to everyone out there supporting me, and to myself. I'm so proud of myself. I just don't know, but I'm so proud and happy and grateful for everything that I have achieved and everything that is yet to come. So this time round, I wanted to celebrate my birthday. It's in October, but I want to make some preparations. So I'm still stuck. I want something good, I want something simple, I want something that portrays what I do, my traits, my character. I want something that portrays my work, my passion for fashion, for makeup, for beauty, for lifestyle. I'm just there. So I want to celebrate it in a simple way, but in a classic way. So I don't know, guys, whether you have some suggestions. Give me some suggestions, shout out, just tell me, suggest, what do you think I should do? Well, in line with fashion and beauty and lifestyle, content creation and everything like that. So guys, I'm going to be waiting for that, and yeah, I'll keep on updating you. And then guys, I wanted to do a QR question and answer video. So if you have any questions, please, if you have anything that you want to know about me, about my business, about everything, lifestyle, content creating and everything in that line, just inbox me, ask anything. like just ask me questions. I want to film a sit down. As of course I have some questions, but I want them to be a little bit more, and then I'll answer you anything that you want to know about fashion, sewing, about makeup, about anything about me. Just ask. I'll be in position to film a video for you, and you will see it here. So with all that being said, I'm going to stop here. Follow the vlog. Love you guys. Because I'm using natural light, so it's on and off, on and off. But hey guys, I'm going to be recreating this look using simple and affordable drugstore, and it's going to be a get ready with me, because after I'm going to be filming a sit down video, and this is going to be a get ready with me and a level up video. So I'm going to be talking about side hustles that you can actually engage in, and then you earn a living and a fortune. Even if you're employed or self-employed, you can go for these side hustles and then you earn a living as we achieve this look. How amazing is that?
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
So guys, I'm done with filming a tutorial and makeup. I get ready. So guys, I'm done with filming a get ready video, and right now I'm going to the salon. I want to paint, but I really don't know what to paint, because you know my scalp is not so okay. This is my natural hair, so I cleaned it yesterday. I didn't paint it, I washed it, and then yeah, this is how it looks like right now. And I feel like I want to plait this week. So there's a lady who plaited me previously, so I want to go and see whether she'll be having time, because it didn't hurt. She was so careful. And I want to do my nails, especially for the toes. These are fine. I prefer it being natural. So I want to do my nails, but they told me the guy wasn't around. So the guy that I want to work on my nails, he's not around. So I left, and then they told me they were going to call him. So I don't know whether he has reached or he's going to come today. But yeah, I'm going to go to the salon and I see what to paint. I want something easy and simple, and I'll see what to do next. By the way, I've not taken breakfast, and I feel like I'm so full. I don't know why, but yeah, this is I'm going to clean up this makeup, and then I put it where it belongs. I clean the brushes, and then I go and see the salon lady. She's just next to me. She's near outside here. And then after all that, I'll come and finish up with this, and then I have other things to work on too. So yeah, and I think that will be our day today.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love.
So I'm still filming a daily life, a day in my life, a vlog, and my phone blacked out before even half of the day like collapsed. So it went down to tie it down, and I felt like, and I had left my charge at home plus the laptop, so I had no ways, and I hate baking. So I just decided to add another day. So this is going to be a continuation. It's not going to be too much, but this is going to be a continuation. My face looks good. So it's not so good. Of course, yesterday I told you I was going to scrub because my skin currently it is breaking out. Guys, I'm using natural light and it's freaking me out. It's not stable. So yesterday I went for scrubbing. Unfortunately, it was my phone was off, and so this is my skin right now. It feels fresh. I'm not applying anything apart from the lotion I'm using and then the moisturizer. So I wanted to breathe because it is stressing me out currently. So I'm from buying water because I'm cramping, and this is the only drink I trust when I'm cramping. So I'm from buying my water, and I feel so sweaty. So yesterday almost the whole night I was googling why my face is breaking out. Guys, I used not to have pimples and dark, like I never had that problem of rashes. My skin was always clear, but currently it's not. So I was googling, and one of the reasons that they gave me was stress, not having enough rest, using the wrong jelly or lotion, something like that, and touching your face every time before cleaning your hands. So I'm also going to get sanitizer so that I can kill those germs. So I'm going to try my level best to maintain it. But guys, so I'm from cleaning. I've cleaned my hands, but this is me being extra. I'm extra actually. So you shouldn't be asking yourself why I'm still cleaning my hands with the wipes and yet have cleaned them. So what am I going to do today actually? Guys, I'm going to paint. I hope I'm going to be vlogging for you. I'm going to get for you a few clips. I'm going to just paint simple things, and because I'm actually tired of this hair. It has been a while. I think my scalp is okay now, and we can paint, and we shall see the results. Okay? Yeah. But as I wait, because she's going to paint when I'm here. As I wait for her, I'm going to be editing because I have many videos. I think I have something like 4 videos to edit. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Someone just passed and he laughed. So as I wait for that, I'm going to remove this from here, don't worry. So as I wait for her to arrive, I'm going to be editing a video. Because I have many of them, and I'm just learning to edit with my computer or my laptop, because sometimes I'm even tired of editing. Like, I'm tired of editing with a phone. Sometimes I just want to edit with a laptop, and then I can be using my phone. So yeah, and that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to edit a video, and then as I wait for her, when she arrives, we start painting, guys. We start painting. So yeah, that's all for today and for now actually. And I'm going to be
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate.
Hey loves, I'm back. So guys, I'm done, and this is how it looks like. So before I show you that, I have to finish this. I'm I'm going to make this, and the shot is down there, so I was rushing to go and do my hair because if I didn't do it today, I wasn't going to do it. So guys, I'm done. Tell me how I look. I like it. It is simple. It is simple and very nice, I think. One thing about it, like one thing I've liked about it, it's going to help me. Like I'm going to have sleep. I'm not going to have sleepless nights. So I'm telling you, I'll show you this. This is Maria wool hair. That's how the braids are. These not braids, but look at that.
Hello. How are you? Are you okay? Fine.
Good. So that's how it looks like at the back. And I love them. I love it. Actually, I've taken something like 1.5 months or 2 months without plaiting, because the last time I plaited, it was so painful. The lady spoiled my hair. It started to break, and it was just a shortage of everything. Like I just faced a lot of problems. My scalp got sick, and then I really hated it so much. So I decided to give myself time before plaiting again, and then boom, I found this girl, and many people recommended. And this is not the first time I'm using their salon. I've been telling you about this salon that I discovered. It's just near me, but they have good customer care. The place is nice. It is neat. It's not noisy. Like they are really good. So I've plaited this, and it's not even painful. Like it's not painful. I'm sure by tomorrow I'm sure by tomorrow I'm going to be really fine. So I'm going to stop here. I finished my sugar canes, and then I stitched this. Today I want to go back home early because I really want I want to edit. I really have a lot of videos to edit, and tomorrow I have to upload a video. So guys, I hope you watched everything that I uploaded. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. We do videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and level up videos. We do sewing tutorials too, and makeup tutorials. So if you're interested, don't make it your last time to watch this beautiful face with great content by subscribing, join the family, and turn up that notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video.